MK Palmore, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Just appreciate you coming on to this conversation. MK is the Cyber Strategic Advisor at Google Cloud and a leadership coach. And I am proud to say that he is a board advisor to First Health Advisory. Welcome, MK.
Carter, thanks for having me.
Two quick questions for you. You have, MK, the opportunity to sit on a lot of boards, and you're extremely accomplished in all that you've done. What at First Health Advisory, MK, attracted you to the mission and vision to be an advisor to our organization?
So, Carter, it's probably not a surprise to you and anyone that knows me that I put a lot of emphasis on the subject of leadership, the discipline of leadership, how it's practiced, and the art. Firstly, I was approached by a mentor that you know well and who discussed the opportunity with me, and I trust his insights. I trust his experience, certainly in the marketplace, and felt that it was an opportunity at the very least worth exploring. And then, quite frankly, the deal was sealed in my initial conversation with you, recognizing that there was a true leader in place capable of enacting on a vision and then hopefully taking an organization on a forward path that enables the kind of growth, advancement, and potential impact on the industry that's a part of the vision that you've created. And so it's all about leadership for me at the end of the day. And when I see that, when I see it in practice, and when I see it in action, these are things that I want to be a part of. And I appreciate the opportunity to join the advisory board and to participate in those strategic discussions that hopefully will help this organization grow.
Thank you for those words, MK. You have a distinguished military career. You've also spent 22 years with the FBI, MK. So you understand the adversary well and the mindset. And the health sector arguably is the most attacked critical infrastructure sector. It's extremely vulnerable. And I'd like to know what you think we collectively as an industry and those that aim to do good can do to change that adversarial dynamic and actually improve our resilience in the sector.
There's a couple of things. One, recognition of the challenge or problem. Healthcare and the healthcare industry has been among the top 3 industries attacked by adversarial cybersecurity activity for the past decade or more. That seems to be a continuing theme year over year. The recognition of the reliance that now the healthcare industry has on technology, its emerging impact on healthcare and taking care of patients and stakeholders in the healthcare sector is growing. And I think that as we continue to have conversations about how best to change the narrative around the attacks is to position healthcare entities and organizations operating in this space in the best light possible in terms of their security posture. And I think that's where enterprises and organizations like First Health Advisory can be of significant impact, helping them get their hands wrapped around the idea of, okay, we have these technology pieces within the environment. How do we protect them? How do we leverage emerging and new technologies that might impact the field? Sometimes security practitioners, infrastructure practitioners, and leaders need help getting their hands wrapped around the vision. And I think First Health Advisory can play a significant role in what that looks like in the industry.
Fantastic. Thank you for that, MK. Thank you for all that you've done from a leadership perspective and a cyber awareness and education perspective. I really appreciate you coming on today.
Excited about the opportunity. Here we go.